In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews to Shopify using the Loox app. If you're running an online store, you know how crucial customer reviews are. They build trust, increase conversion rates, and can even help you improve your products based on customer feedback. So, integrating a solid review system is pivotal to your store's success. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward but powerful in enhancing your online store's reputation. First, ensure you've set up an account with Loox and installed the app on your Shopify store. This initial step is crucial as Loox is specifically designed to help Shopify stores generate more sales through its impressive review capabilities. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Loox, and follow the straightforward installation instructions provided. Once it's installed, go to your Shopify admin page and click on the Loox app to access it. Now, let's talk about importing reviews, which is a fantastic Loox feature. Start by navigating to the Collect Reviews section in the app. Loox makes it easy by offering multiple options for importing reviews. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user migrating reviews from another platform or someone completely new to e-commerce reviews, Loox has you covered. You can import reviews manually or through a CSV file. For those unfamiliar, a CSV file is a type of spreadsheet that stores data efficiently, perfect for bulk review imports. Make sure your CSV file follows Loox's guidelines, with all necessary fields like product links, review titles, and ratings filled out correctly to avoid any hiccups during the import process. Once your CSV file is ready, upload it into the Loox app. Simply click on the Import Reviews button and follow the prompts to select your file. Loox's intuitive interface will guide you through the steps, and before you know it, your customer testimonials will be visible on your product pages, enhancing your store's credibility. But remember, the quality of your reviews is paramount. Only import genuine reviews, as misleading feedback can have adverse effects on your store's reputation in the long run. After importing, take a moment to customize the way reviews are displayed on your store. Loox offers multiple display formats, each designed to seamlessly fit various brand aesthetics. Customize them through the app settings to ensure they align with the visual identity of your store, making sure they're easily readable and attractive for customers. This visual coherence will not only make your store look professional but also ensure that the reviews add value to your site's user experience. To wrap up, once everything is in place, take some time to interact with your new review system. Respond to feedback, engage with your customers, and monitor how these reviews are affecting your sales. Customer interaction can boost loyalty and encourage more customers to leave feedback, creating a virtuous cycle of engagement. And there you have it. Using the Loox app, you can effectively manage customer reviews on your Shopify store, helping to boost credibility and customer trust. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and e-commerce strategies.